So how do you format this this and this? So what we do, cmd run as admin, and then click yes. It will open this, then type here DISKPART, and it will load. Okay, so now we do this disk, and so we have so many other disks. We don't wanna mess up with any of this. So what you do to find out what disk is this and this, so what you do, you right click here, go to disk management, which I already have open here. So I will bring it here, disk management. If you go down, it'll tell you disk 4. So that's disk 4. So we are going to work on disk 4 here. So I'm going to minimize this, then select disk 4. Need to verify if the disk is selected. So we do list disk again, and then when you do list disk, you'll see a star on here. So slow. Okay, so now you see the star is right there. That means this disk is selected. So now we do put the command clean. Clean, what it does, it will clean any partition it has. See it disappearing. Okay, that's good. Is that thing already gone? Now create partition primary. We do this. Okay, partition is wrong spelling. Partition. Okay, done. Now we do select partition 1. Okay, spelling again mistake. See, yes, select, SCLE, select partition 1 is done. Now we have to clean. So the command is for format, FORMAT FS. So I'm going to use this on the Mac. So if I put NTFS, it will read, but I can't write. FAT, it don't do anything. So I'm going to put EXFAT. Let's see if it'll do it. FAT QUICK, quick. Okay, it did it. So now I can use this drive in Mac. Active. Okay. Yeah, ACTIP, active, and then I can read this in Mac and Windows both, but I do have to give them drive later. ASSI GNassign LETTER X. Let's see if that works. Yep. So see, I have X. Now I can open it, you know, put anything here and it should work. Let's try. I'm going to move one file from here. From my one of the drives that I don't wanna mess up with it. So okay. So I can put it right there. This one. Let's see, X backup 1 disk file is, so yeah, it is there now. So backup 1, I need to copy this folder, copy, so once this copy, then I can use on Mac to recover the data. So what happened, what I'm doing is, this Mac has a hard drive bad. This hard drive died in the Mac, so I install new hard drive, install the operating system, but customer want to recover data from here. I already recovered it. These are the file that I create image out of the hard drive, and now once I have copied in other hard drive, I'm going to connect, because it's a Mac, so I have to recover data in Mac. I tried to recover data in Windows, it did not work. It only recover like 25 files. MacBook Pro. So I'll let you know how it goes, but this is how you can format and assign the drive later using DISKPART. It's a very powerful tool. Use it, learn it, it's pretty good. Ciao, thanks.